Oh my goodness, guys, it's just been raining all night. That's crazy. In June, it's like mid-June, and it's raining. Like, what is that? It's supposed to be summer right now. What's going on here? This weather as of lately has been so crazy. Anyway, yes guys, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Conan, and today I'm going to share with you guys 3 recipes that are high in protein, low in calories, and are delicious. So let's get into it. So I definitely think if your goal is to lose weight, these meals are absolutely ideal. Not only do they taste good, they're very low in calories and high in volume, which is very important if your goal is to be in a caloric deficit, because ultimately, if your goal is to lose weight, you obviously want to do it in a sustainable way, in a way that you actually enjoy as well. So by eating foods that are low in calories but high in volume that actually fill you up, it makes it a whole lot easier to sustain and enjoy your diet. So before we get started and you're excited for today's video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. Like, it would really help me out a lot, like seriously. Also, while you're at it, might as well hit that big red subscribe button. It's like down there below, hard to miss. With that said, let's get into it. Let's go. Also, in case you guys care, I've been watching the Euros as of lately. So it started a couple days ago, and I've pretty much been watching like every single game. In case you didn't know, I'm a huge soccer fan. Like, I love it. I try to watch every single game. So currently watching the England against Croatia game. Kind of boring game as of right now. It's 0-0 in the 50th minute. Hopefully some action happens, but yeah, like this next month I'll just be watching as many games as I can because I love soccer and I love watching it too. Let me know in the comments down below, who do you think will win? I want Holland or the Netherlands to win, which is like my home country, in case you didn't know that. I was born there, lived there for 11 years, grew up there, but ultimately I think France are the favorites to win. Alright guys, so for the first recipe, this is like something I've been seeing all over my For You page on TikTok. Apparently it's really popular right now, and it's called baked oats. So let's get into it. So this recipe is surprisingly really easy to make, and you don't really need that many ingredients. So you start off by adding 40 grams of oats into a blender, then you add 1 scoop of your favorite tasting protein powder. I went for a chocolate. Then I added half a cup of any type of milk. I went for almond milk. Then I added 5 grams of cocoa powder to make it like super chocolatey, and then some extras are some vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and baking powder to make it rise. Once that's done, I added some Splenda for sweetness, and now this is optional, but you can blend it up as well to kind of like give it like a smoother consistency, but you can definitely just mix it together in a bowl and then add it to a oven safe dish, and then I put it into the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And it should turn out something like this. So it should be crispy on the outside and nice and gooey on the inside like this. That actually looks really good. Oh my god. So yeah, definitely try this one out because it was very good. And then I topped it with some powdered peanut butter. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, baked oats. And so basically this is just how you would normally make your oatmeal, but then instead of microwaving it, you just put it in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes, and it turns out very crispy on the outside and nice and gooey on the inside. So let's give it a taste test. Here we go. Wow. That is very good. Nice little spin on the traditional oatmeal. So if you're sick and tired of eating your regular bowl of oatmeal every single morning, try baking it in your air fryer or in your oven. And yeah, it actually tastes really, really good. I really recommend this one. Wow. Thank you. Alright guys, so for this low carb cauliflower fried rice, you will need 340 grams of cauliflower, which I will blend up and turn into cauliflower rice. 100 grams of whatever vegetables you want. So I got some bell pepper and zucchini in here. I got some green onions here too. Then 150 grams of some shrimp. Gonna put this all into a pan, stir fry it together, add some low sodium soy sauce and some sriracha, and that should be it.
Those things I already did.
Alright guys, so there you have it, a low carb, high protein, what is this called? Egg fried rice. Yeah. So obviously play around with the ingredients, play around with the vegetables. I just had some zucchini and bell pepper, but again, you can use whatever vegetables you have. And then again, to turn this into a low carb dish, I used cauliflower, blitzed it up into like a cauliflower rice. If you wanted higher carb though, you can definitely add like normal rice, but then it won't be as low carb. So yeah, for protein, I added some shrimp and some egg whites, and I added some sriracha on top. And this smells absolutely amazing. Let's give this a quick little taste test. Shrimp is actually one of my favorites sources of protein. Like, it's very lean, very tasty, and yeah, it's just really good. My favorite fish too, by the way. So here we go. Wow, that soy sauce kicking in with that sriracha on top too. Those green onions definitely make a big difference too. Wow. Combining all these different flavors and like stir frying it all together combines all the flavors together into just this big delicious meal. So definitely try it out. Low calorie, low carb, high protein, ideal if your goal is to lose weight, and again, a lot of volume in this as well. I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright guys, so to end today's video, one more recipe, actually again inspired by a TikTok video. So I think I'm gonna retitle this video to recreating viral TikTok recipes, because honestly these recipes look really good, and what's even better is that again they are low in calories and quite honestly look delicious. So let's get into it. So what I'm about to make is kind of like a grilled cheese and French toast combined into like one sandwich. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some egg whites on the pan right now, let it cook up for a bit, add 2 slices of bread to the egg whites, season it up to whatever you want to season it with, then add 2 slices of cheese, and then once it's cooked, flip them over, and then flip it over again, and then let the cheese melt, and then that's pretty much it. Let's see how it goes. This sandwich literally brings me back to my childhood. I mean, I used to have grilled cheeses like every single day. Like, they were just too good, super easy to make. So this was probably the easiest recipe to make, but like in terms of like flavor and taste, I bet it's gonna be up there amongst the best. So gotta dip it in some ketchup too. You already know. Here we go. So I actually used the fat-free cheese and used egg whites. So again, this is a very low calorie, low fat, high protein meal. It's basically a high protein grilled cheese. So if you like grilled cheeses and you like high protein stuff, this is definitely the one. Like, definitely try this out. Super easy to make too, only need a couple ingredients. Honestly, you can't go wrong with grilled cheeses. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. So all those meals I just made were absolutely delicious. Like, they were really good. So I want you guys to try at least one of them out, and if you do, make sure to go take a picture of it and tag me on Instagram so I can see it. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video right here, and let me know if you guys would like me to make any more of these types of videos, because I genuinely do enjoy making them, and they also do taste really good. Anyway, with that said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to go give this video a thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.